So the two of us want to sleep, so we're going to fight over who get the sheet to carry.
Foolishness.
No. The name of the game is sheet pong. The objective, there's the ball. Can you see the ball there? No, still can't see the ball. No. So to get the ball to fall off the opponent's side. So in other words, but we don't really. All right, go back.
That's not how the game. You can't go until the game starts.
All right. So you're down 1-0.
No, that was a demo.
Oh, so
and
that's what we're supposed to. All right. War, man. War.
It's you start it.
1-1. You can't do that. Hey, 2-1.
Wait. I score against my own self, so it don't count.
Hey, own goal.
It don't count.
In football, you have an own goal. 1-1. Your side, that's again.
Your side. It's your side, reference.
It's your side.
Never read. Never read it.
I got about 9,
I never
love.
even have the sheet in my hand.
I got about 9, love.
You're so deep. Jesus, what I
10, love.
Hold on, let I just get it into the... Wait.
Right, I'm going to wait.
Lande, can you just hold this for me and put it in?
I'm going to wait. I am going to wait.
When I have held on to both sides of it, I
man.
don't trust you as far as I can flang you.
So why you put it on my side? No, you think you can't give it to me?
This is a fun game. Come against Monday. We must tie now.
Sir Pastor.
Tiebreaker. No, wait, I wasn't.
Sir Pastor. No, I don't want it on my side. Sit there.
Come down, put it on your side. No, because you're going to thief. I see you. Smell your teeth in already.
You won't put it on yours.
Do not put them in my... No.
It is on my side. See, I drop it on my side. Can't get through. Can't get through. All right.
Magic like the magician.
Wait, no.
Come again.
My side again.
Matador.
I'm going to show you something now. The illusionist taught me something. See ball drop, but see them here.
You had 4 in your hands,
I didn't see ball here. 5. I like
we
it.
learn to fly.
I win.
Showdown.
I win.